Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and today I will show you how to create Facebook business page in 7 steps. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So first what you need to do is sign up on your account. Next you click on here Facebook and now on the pages. Okay, and you here have create new page, so we click on this and now next step is write page name which you want. For example this. Next, category required, what you need. Okay, Hong Kong restaurant, for example. You may also add other category, and also optional you may add a description, and you click on the create page. Okay, page is creating. We must wait a few seconds. Okay, business was created. Now you can add images, go to your ad. So next step is add profile picture, which you need. Okay, this is not okay. Okay, you may also add cover photo. Good, and also finish setting up on your page. So contact to you, a phone number, email, website, as you can see it will be here, a location, okay, never mind, it will be looking. Okay, you may add also hours, always open. You may add action button. Okay, customize your action button. You may book now, sign up, start order, give shop, get tickets, contact us and email, yes, and others. So, yes, message. Okay, and now if you do it, you may click on the save. Optionally, you can also connect your business to WhatsApp. Okay, we must waiting some time. It's created. Welcome to your new page. You are now action. Okay. We back here. Now you my user page. Okay, so look at this. Next step is also first your post. You may add post. Okay, and here you have option like manage. Wait a second. Manage, yes, and here you may check your page, Meta Business Suite, moderation assist, yes. Okay, and on the ending you may invite friends. So we go to our page, and here you have option like you click on these 3 dots, and here you have invite friends. Switch into your profile to invite friends to connect with your page business. Switch into profile. Use the search bar to find and select your page. Okay, as you can see, that's working, and you did it. And I think that's all what I wanted to show you. So Thanks, you may write a comment, share to others. Bye bye and see you next time. If you have any question, you may write to me. Yes, bye.